My name is Brian Repeat.
Steve Mabry.
Jordan Carr. I work for Mountain Flyer magazine.
We're up here today testing a bunch of demo bikes. It's a great opportunity for us to be able to use these kind of trails and just be able to do multiple laps on these kind of bikes.
Riding the lift up, it's a different experience. This is my first day riding a lift without snow underneath it. A lot of fun, different style riding.
I definitely found the Evolution Bike Park to be a great way to learn how to ride some different terrain and really practice my technical ability.
Crested Butte Mountain Resort has been putting a lot of effort into building these purpose-built trails on the mountain. Most of the bikes that we're getting in for review at Mountain Flyer magazine are long travel bikes, and we need trails like this to test them on. And being able to ride the stuff up here that they've designed with good wood structures and some huge kickers, it's a lot of fun. And being able to really push these bikes to the limit that they're intended to be pushed to, it's a great opportunity.